We're so excited today to have a groundbreaking for this new Bailey's Crossroads shelter. The residents of Fairfax County approved a bond measure that provided sufficient funding in order to build a new facility here. So a new homeless facility will be built here with 52 beds for homeless individuals, and there will be 18 permanent supportive housing units, essentially apartments, for people who are currently homeless.
Our residents who will use this facility will include military veterans, domestic violence survivors, older adults, many with chronic health and disability challenges. These are the faces of the homeless in Fairfax County. It's critical that we provide them with the support and the services that they need and that they deserve.
The services that will be provided will be counseling services, there will be mental health services, there will be job training services, there will be housing services to try to find housing.
Throughout the entire process, respecting all opinions and recognizing that there is dignity in every person, regardless of need, have been guiding principles.
We don't hear a lot about homelessness in Fairfax County. Homelessness is a problem wherever it exists, and we've been successful reducing homelessness by 47% over the course of the last 9 years.
When you listen to the stories and you talk to our fellow human beings who are in a homeless condition, you realize there but for the grace of God go I.
2, 3, chuck it. It's a fantastic opportunity for us to show that we care about all of the residents in Fairfax County. It's an expensive place to live, and the community has made a collective decision that we're not going to allow homelessness to continue to occur in Fairfax County.